143 Nordham. Virtual tour. This is in Bedford, Ohio. It's a carport with the one-car garages. Let's look at the inside here. It's a nice big open floor plan. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, but the 2 bedrooms in here are just absolutely gigantic. So you have a nice big living room area here. See all that. And then you have a nice modern kitchen, newer cabinets, gas cooking and fridge. Really nice. And then you have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, kind of a Jack and Jill. So this is just the front part of this bedroom here. And then you can go back into here. Here's a whole nother part of it. So also has a separate entrance right there. So that's nice. Again, wood floors. And you just go right through the bathroom here. Here's your sink. It's nice. And then you have another bedroom here. This is a nice bedroom on the back. So the other bedroom's upstairs and it is huge. Also, it's got the luxury plank vinyl flooring in it. See, it's just a really, really nice big bedroom. So then you have a full basement. Let's go over here. So we got this. This is a nice full washer and dryer. It's a really nice big basement area. So beautiful, gorgeous. So this house is available. It won't last. Thanks. Have a great day.